Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salman and you're watching the Concept Academy by Riyaz Solution. And in today's video, we are going to download and install an automation tool for continuous integration, and that is Jenkins. So let's just begin the video. Before starting the video, I would like to say to all my viewers that if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please go and subscribe and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update or any video that I'm going to upload for you guys. So let's just begin this video. Okay, so we are the Windows users, so let's download this. I have already opened that link, and don't get worried about this link. I will provide the link in the description. So here are the prerequisite for downloading the Jenkins. The minimum hardware requirement is this: at least you have 256 MB of RAM. In today's we are likely to have like every PC do have minimum specification. Even the phones have 4 GB or 2 GB, so don't get worried about this specification. It's very minimal for the requirement of downloading this. And 1 GB of hard drive, although 10 GB is recommended. So I have enough space. My hard drive is about more than 120, and recommended hardware is 4 GB of RAM and 50 GB of. That is the minimal and that is the recommended, so we are meeting this criteria, so we don't have to worry about this. And what are the software requirements? So we need a Java, we need a web browser, and for operating Windows operating system we need to see the Windows for policy support. So, and first let's just go to this download link, downloading Jenkins to download. And in their official site they have fully guided us to download and install, so don't get worried about the downloading process. So right now I'm going to click on the Windows option. So here is the file which is about to download. Okay, till then it is downloading. The main or very primary thing we need to check is Java requirements. So let's click on this, and here we have Java 8 runtime environment are supported in both 32 or 62. So I recommended to download Java 8, and here is the Java 11 environment are support with Docker installation instruction are included. Downloading and running Jenkins in Docker. See Java 8 to Java 11 upgrade guideline. I already have installed Java 8 JRE, so I'm going to click directly to this downloaded file, that is Jenkins. Now it's time to download this. I'm sorry for the words. Let's just install this. Click on the next, and here they are guiding us, so I'm following the footstep of that they have shown to us. Now click on the next, and okay, when installing Jenkins it is recommended to install and run Jenkins as independent Windows service using a local domain user. Okay, to run the okay, let's just provide the name. So I'm going to provide this name, that is user, and my password. Okay, test the credentials. Okay, the username or password is incorrect. Okay, my PC, so I'm providing my name. Showing me the error: the account either does not have the privilege to log on as a service, or the account was unable to verify it. Okay, right, I resolved the problem. So let's just show the how did I resolve. I just go to this Windows administrative tools, because my user did not have the right to access the, he was not actually have the right to uh, the local security policy. So open the administrative tool if you face the same problem and go to this local security policy, and in the local security policy go for the account no, not for the account policies, local policies and user right assignment. In the user right assignment you need to click on logon as service properties. As you can see, I have added my user, that name as Salman. You just need to go to add user and type your username, that as I type, and I check my name and then press OK. So my problem got resolved. So this, in the same case, if you are facing this issue, you can resolve this problem. So as you can see, my test credentials are verified. Now I'll click this. Okay, let's test the port. Okay, this port is available, 8080. It's fine. Click on the next, and this is the path where we're going to install this. Let's click the next, and then again next, and click and install. So we are begin with the installation. Okay, starting services. Let's just wait for a few minutes. Alright, we are done with the installation. Let's click on the finish button, and it automatically opened my browser and redirected to me the localhost :8080. But right now I guess here is some problem. It says cannot reach this page. Okay, as you can see, it is automatically getting started. Please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. So it means I need to wait. So we get this page, unlock Jenkins. To ensure Jenkins is securely set up by administrator, password has been returned to log. Please copy the password from the location and paste it below. Okay, this is the path where we need to go. Copy and paste. Open in the notepad. Okay, this is the password. Let's copy this, come back to the browser, paste, continue, save it. Okay, install suggested plugins. Let's install Git and everything. So I'm going to install all the suggested plugin. So it will take a few minutes. As you can see, it's completing the process. The progress bar is showing the progress right now. Cool. We are done with a few plugin installation and few failures, so we'll try it in the later video. Let's just continue this, and I need to provide the username Salman. Save and continue. Save and finish. Start using Jenkins. So we'll be exploring these items in our upcoming next videos, and we'll be setting up with the GitHub, and we'll deploy or create a build of .NET application in our upcoming video. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.